Welcome back to As City Hot on top of the senior brother for the television station when they side of the world, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. As we dey talk, every 10 to 11 for weekday and Christmas, sake of say, we dey discuss all the topic when they come out smoke inside Nigeria political arrangement. And what is more, we dey give you the opportunity to call to chukma for inside the matter, so that those when they talk concern go take the necessary action and move our country forward. Ezugu Chukwu the Anunku be there inside studio, and what we dey discuss? Now the kind hand when we say before president go get for inside new government, long, short, medium, or no hand at all.
But then, Chukwudi, based on what we talked earlier, we know say yes, there's usually a monthly gathering for past president. Yes, monthly gathering, Federal Executive Council, and where he involve every past president to come in and hold a meeting, talk on how they go move the country forward. You understand? But then, just as you talk, if somebody now decides to say, okay, he won't do it in break out of that normal protocol of say, now they meet. Congo, they meet the current president quietly on his own, one-on-one, without anybody's involvement, without probably people knowing, or without probably maybe not just here and hold discussion. Make you also know, say, for me, there must be something involved. You understand? There must be something involved. You can't just come and can't they talk or this, you can't they hold this committee. If not something, no they involved in between. Oga Alex, they call us from Abuja. Good morning, Oga Alex.
Unkudi Ashukudi, I heard you this morning.
Good morning, Alex. We don't miss you.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes.
Make I start like this. The visit of former President Goodluck Jonathan and Obasanjo was in the night, Abi.
No,
Goodluck go for night. OBJ, no be night.
Listen to what I'm saying.
Okay.
The meeting was there behind closed door.
Yes.
And then from where this issue the speaker, what we discuss now. How we take no what they discuss. You see, I want to make something like this. People of Obasanjo and Goodluck, here at one day, next year at now. Like the year at now, not die. If for keep Godzilla. Make an answer now. How many people get access to Obasanjo's number, or Goodluck's number, or President Muhammadu Buhari's number? Now, very few individuals. High placed individuals in this country. So when they try to talk, they say, Shukudi, you get limited by time you talk. If you are a general, whether you don't retire or not, all folks with retired general, they don't belong to the same club already. Then let me look at the body language of Buhari. He won't fight corruption now. Obasanjo, let's hear and good work. And you don't need to allow the state because they're the senior elders. And the way we president make noise about the people of Obasanjo and Goodluck Jonathan. So we can start to fight this thing. Now, let me like you to what he said here talk. All these one are more than done about nothing. It's not by right. These people are right. To see a Goodluck Jonathan, Buhari now, if in the course of the day we be too busy to attend to them, why not they decide? So now we really, sometimes I didn't get it. If you are busy to me, it's of course. Because at least we can judge by the body language of Buhari, if you know 22 corruption, at least in this is the opinion of these two gentlemen. It has nothing to do with whether they are corrupt or not. If Goodluck wanted to throw this country into confusion, they do so. At least Nigeria own that man. I want to thank an apology. Look at it now. You don't believe like what Babangida do. Man, of the one who was made the eldest boss at that time now. But no! When you people can change your Uber to go and cause confusion, go to call Uber I want to make a name for this country. So please, we pray, or those of us who are now oppressed, let us not be overheat. And in fact, we should not try what is not there. You know, my contribution this morning is that.
Thank you very much, Oga Alex.
Thank you very much.
If you look into Oga Alex, see the angle where they bring him from. Okay, yes, quite all right. If we also look at, it might not be appropriate to say, see waiting then talk. But if we also look the response, the reactions of OBJ when they talk to the press. Now that kind of body language, we also they said, okay, if it's not because of this same issue, now he make him come say in the come visit, also talk with me talk. Oga Michael, they call us from Yaba. Good morning, Oga Michael.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Yeah.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Michael.
Yesterday, I don't try. I don't forget, you know.
I bet no verse.
I say, Maka call today, Maka see pull mouths.
Okay.
But the only thing we say, I go continue the talk. They say, anytime when I call me, I go see they remind me of this time extension. I go see the talk. Mr. Before I go start, I beg, Mr. Nkubi, yesterday, you don't take note. Yesterday, I expect you, make you applaud Igor from Abuja.
Okay, yes. Igor,
The first time where they listen to at least he talks of certain things, maybe say stand with you, but you don't applaud them.
No, of course, on my mind, they applaud them now.
Okay. I beg, the thing where I want to talk, we say, you see, I want to make one example. If players, they play for inside pitch, you know, so sometimes they need the reason like the way spectator, the day when they watch.
Exactly.
Because spectator when they watch, their brain, they relax. They go see the thing how it's supposed to be. And why they play and brain they hot, you're not going to see how spectators will see them. But the other thing I want to talk, we say, I don't know what will happen if you're not aware of what in New York Times, this New York Magazine Times, will be say, bring out a report about the past administration. The way they put them, maybe I go speak grammar for this one. Then say in the time that is from the history of Nigerian government that the past administration, now them beautify, now them glorify. Now they magnify corruption. That they never see corruption so far, like the past administration. I don't know what in they see, now they know what in they see. But that aside, this Council of Elders meeting, where when they talk Council of Elders, me I don't know what in the Council of Elders actually mean, no. Because if a Council of Elders really mean what they do, and they're supposed to do what they're supposed to do, that is to say the past administration of Goodluck Jonathan, that's the way they did there. Actually, they take wrong step. They will don't pass through that particular office. They're supposed to come in strongly, advise them. I don't say they don't go free, force and make it do some other things, but they come strongly, advise them on certain steps to take. So, but I don't know if actually they don't do that or they decide to keep out of their selfish interest. Because I believe, say, some things maybe Jonathan administration will do that time. Some of them they benefit from that selfish interest. That is why they cannot come out strongly to come and support this man. On top, say, see what in this man, see what he's supposed to do, see what he's supposed to do. Now, only Obasanjo, even Obasanjo, as they corrupt rich, out of his corrupt nature or government, he still come out and see the talk for public, say, this thing, the teacher money, this thing, I don't do that, this, so because they think done too much. So I don't know what will happen when Obasanjo come out and publicly talking, but which the other state council meeting holders, they don't agree to talk. Then the other one where I want to talk, I beg, I want to be say make appropriate authority coming into this particular matter. My state, now Benue State I come from.
Okay.
This past governor of Benue State, Godwin Abida Gabriel Akume, if actually this man truly, because the paper where I read yesterday, they say he siphoned about 48 billion naira for that particular state. And as I talk to you now, if you go that state, there are some local government workers who they never paid them for 1 year, 6 months. 8 months, 5 months. I beg, make appropriate authority, make them come in.
Make them also Oga Michael, in fact, thank you very much. I know say, as they even talk this thing now.
And the other aspect, please, I want to point out one particular thing. The other one where I want to point out, I don't know what will be the agreement between Buhari and Goodluck and Abdul Salami of the peace agreement. Where they agree. I don't know what into the content of that particular agreement. But if that particular agreement no go favor Nigerians, and you know they into constitution, you know they in line with our constitution.
Oga Michael, thank you very much. You don't make very important points. We won't believe say one of the reason or one of the essence of that agreement now say the election go hold and wahala no go happen.
Exactly.
And none of us know say from the way when the elections, the general elections, presidential and gubernatorial take happen for Nigeria, the fear where many of us carry for mind, we no see am. So we believe say anybody when get the love of Nigeria for heart, anything when they go do now because of this country, will they collect more calls? One of our Ogbonge listeners and person where they support us well, all the way from River State, Oga Chile. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chile.
Uncle B, good morning. See what happened there. The visit of Jonah to Baba Buhari. It is natural. Jonah cannot just wake up because he was a former president and he decided just to visit the present president just like that. He has to call the present president who will now give him time. So if Jonathan went there at night, then you must know that it is at the
invitation.
Scheduled timing.
Are you hearing what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If he go there at night, that is how Baba Buhari wanted it to be. So there is no secret thing about that kind of issue. Then the other one is that you must know that Jonathan is not a man of publicity. He doesn't like publicity. Baba Obasanjo, like publicity very well. So he can always say what he came for or what.
Oga
Chile. Be like say the network don't do somehow. Oga Chile, abeg, we know say you see the watch. Abeg, call us back, make you complete this your discussion. We get Oga Okay all the way from Calabar. Good morning, Oga Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning, sir.
Oga Okay.
Good morning, Kobe. Hello.
We hear you, Oga
right
Chile.
on.
Okay. Make I contribute small.
Okay.
Make I start with our Oga Goodluck visit first.
Okay.
First of all, I think I say na collective effort, Sabi,
Yes.
to take Nigeria to the promised land.
Yes.
So for him to pay visit, I believe say Oga Buhari fit don invite him to seek some opinion or to pick some things from him.
True.
Okay.
I know see say Oga Goodluck go there, maybe to tell him no problem in government, in past administration or whatever. I don't think so. It's collective effort, like they said earlier. Then for Oga OBJ to go in own visits, that man is. I think it's right time for him to just relax and allow the people who are ready to clean up Nigeria again to work, because I don't see anything we do for Nigeria, to be sincere with you. I don't see anything, and I don't want to shout every day, say this person, they corrupt, or this person. Even me and you, everybody, they corrupt in Nigeria.
Somehow.
Yeah?
Somehow.
No, be say somehow, Mr. Chukwu, everybody, corruption reach everywhere. Even the bank where me they go, people where they ask me for money, people where they do, they are corrupt. You understand what I'm saying? So now, make OBJ sit back at home. In that disturb Nigerians. And we are not happy with him. Let this man clean up Nigeria so that we have a better place again in Nigeria. Thank you, and God keep on blessing you.
Thank you very much, Oga, for that brief talk.
Oga don't talk in mind.
He talk
say if
mind.
you don't do your own, allow other person
do
when not start
own.
making do his own.
No go they intercept, say you want chook mouth or chook body.
We not talk say na bad thing for person when we say don't rule this country before to they give advice. But what we they try talk be say, if Nigerians talk say, okay, oh, this thing when we the experience or this thing when our eyes don't see, we don't want to see them again. We want something different. Person when we say follow put us for that thing where we say we don't want to see. And na time for them to just relax small, somehow. Make it allow the new person when we say don't come at us say he won't carry us go promised land. Make him carry us go the promised land. Because I mean it go be like say we dey go back
apart
now.
from that, it's at least some of the even if you won't give advice, if you make phone call, but maybe we'll collect this call from Ismail. Ismail, they call us from Niger. Good morning, Ismail.
Yeah, good morning, Kubi.
Yes.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Ismail.
I beg, I know there for near TV. What is the latest for this morning?
What we talk about today now, the visit where Oga Jonah visit the current president Oga Muhammad Buhari, and shortly after that one, OBJ come visit the following day. Also visit Oga Muhammad Buhari. Because they ask which limit, what will be the limit of past president? Which kind of limit they supposed to get inside an existing government?
For that one, we know say OBJ, you know get brother, you know get friend. If you do the right thing, he support you. Even though he put you for position, if you do nonsense, he nail you. Now you have it with that. The year so.
Yeah.
Okay, Oga Jonah won't be say na issue of corruption. Na carry and go there.
How you take
but
no?
Now some 20 say two of them they go touch light. I beg kill me inside, no kill me outside. I mean the meeting carry and go, no that thing. Because no go visit person, go carry night to go visit them. I beg kill me inside, no kill me outside. If I thought say you won't carry everybody for a showroom, I beg kill me inside. Now we think just you won't be that.
Okay, man, now that angle you they see I'm from.
Now
and what if maybe as they be past president? As they be past president, maybe they go visit Oga Muhammad Buhari to probably advise them on how to probably move forward, on how to do one or two things.
No, if you see now that one, anytime go that kind one go come, the whole will go see waiting there. But for now, now corruption matter na in the ground. Everybody want clear in heads.
Okay,
yes,
okay.
Oga Ismail, thank you very much. You don't make very important point. Oga Ismail talk one thing, say kill me inside.
Don't kill me outside.
Outside. That one a clear indication say Oga Presido, before Presido go cooperate, when they come to them begin to ask some questions, say who be the people where you think say spoil your government or chop money? All the way from Yola, we go take Oga Obiora. Oga Obiora, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Obiora.
How are you?
We dey fine.
This our talk today. If you think the people that think say good luck, they bad as Obasanjo. But Obasanjo, you know, our people say that empty drum and they make noise pass. We, all of us, they when Obasanjo be president for this country. And I think all of us grow. You know what thing they happen that time. How much did Obasanjo think in NEPA something? We may not see anything. And many other things. When Obasanjo was president, you can never do election. You write result from Abuja. So if you talk of corruption in Nigeria, Obasanjo is founder of corruption and the leader of corruption. So if Obasanjo will be telling Buhari to probe blood, you should remember that.
We never talk now waiting in talk.
I know. Because in the top past government, even the past government, and we remember that every year has a smell sheet. So if you may talk, and again, people when they talk say because good Lord go for night, maybe everybody they make noise. And the good Lord is present to do. Maybe one contract from Buhari, maybe one thing or the other. He has his own benefits still in the government. So, and he has his own power and the chance to go anytime he wants. So even if you are corruption, whether he go or he no go, Buhari will do what in the mind. But what I advise people where they power now, I don't talk about before. If they want probe, they don't start from 1999. The probe is nonsense. Because that is when the foundation starts, that is when we see corruption working critically and this moment. So let them probe everybody and return every money. Even the president people that is in government keeper now. So thank you very much. And our people, when they look good luck saying I am the only corrupt man. Everybody they corrupt.
Oga Obiora, thank you very much. We believe say as we fight against corruption for inside this our country, we will give support to the government. We don't make a priority to pursue corruption, and we go live for Nigeria without corruption. We go quickly rush enter inside this break. When we go come back, we'll continue our discussion on top of the ogbonge story where we carry come today. As it get to do with the kind hand when we say before president suppose get inside new government. Make we go come back now still as it dey hot. Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195, the Ogbonge television inside Obodo the world. As it hot, the #1 program as it concern political discussion. Ezugu Chukudi Anunkubi they discuss. As he be say the hand of before President go dey inside new government. Most of our people when on call don't talk say nothing there wrong for advice. But their own na say when the hand become like say don't dey long too much, make them cut am or make no even dey at all.
Even if say maybe some hand of this hand they just come. Once they don't stretch that hand, they just put on there permanently. Say, make this hand rest here. We
know one of those hands when we say don't come rest permanently inside some of the states.
We talk about past presidents.
We they talk of past hand na hand.
No, we talk about past presidents.
Hand na hand. Not the time
we talk about past presidents.
We talk about hand na hand.
We talk about past presidents.
We talk about hand. What about the hand when we say don't enter some kind of state? When we say why you go there even the twist up? We talk about past president, yes, but what is the past president?
What is the issue they talk about here?
Hand is the issue.
What is the issue?
Hand is the issue.
Which hand the past presidents get inside the new government? What is going to be the level of their hand? Okay. President, past president.
Okay, what about past governors, Sunko?
Don't be topic for today. Don't be topic for today.
I don't introduce that. Past governors.
What program want to finish? What program want to finish?
But we see whether people go come.
No, we don't make them call.
They must call.
See, people go come. Many talk Chukma for this one. May I know? Mind yourself.
Oh.
Don't change this issue.
So
don't change the subject.
You don't say una get one long hand.
Which long hand?
Who could be? If the hand don't
Which long hand? Which long hand you talk? Don't even mention long hand there. Where's the long hand?
Which one?
Has anybody come out to talk say you got one long hand? Where's the stuff for government?
They go talk. Una go agree talk.
Una go agree talk. Check now where we see we go talk.
Well, because una don't go see now.
See you.
Una don't come.
See mind yourself. Oga
Polycarp,
what you go tell you?
Oga
Polycarp, talk to us, Jare. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chibote.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Yes, I tell you, an address and gentleman in the seat.
Oh, you don't hear that?
Oga Polycarp, I know say you go support Chukudi.
Wait. There is nothing wrong with the president visiting Afarok. One, that house doesn't belong to Buhari. It is a tenant there. You can occupy it tomorrow. Chukudi can occupy it tomorrow. So anybody who don't live for one house before, study the house very well. And even if you get clear mind for that person waiting for that house again, they can go there anytime you like. We know what happened to Buhari before they inaugurate them to happen to these people. I remember that Buhari went to visit the British Prime Minister. Because of that protocol, Buhari was waiting outside the 10 Downing Street for many minutes without nobody attending to him. So maybe another kind of thing where...
That was before he became president.
Might make him come by the time he comes because of the arrangement from the protocol officers. You remember the way Reverend talked yesterday? That the protocol officers were supposed to arrange the time where the president will visit us. So there's nothing wrong in that. As for the probe, Abasanjo should come out the big weather for him before he begins to talk about other people. He has not accounted for the money where he takes to go to the library for himself. He has not accounted for the $6 billion he used for power sector, which we have managed to show for it. He has not accounted for the money he used to go and build that university at Ata. He has not accounted for all other sundry irrelevant expenses he made and made millions out of Nigeria without accounting for it. So Buhari should be brought first. One should start from Buhari because he is the victim of corruption in Nigeria. Before he go to other people. If any of them who has skin in his cupboard, then he'll be brought to book. That is the work of the DFCC. Mabata should not be giving advice. Many advisors who will give him enough advice. He himself will never take any advice what have to give him. Even where they for office. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Oga Polycarp.
From what Oga Polycarp don't talk now, he don't dey very clear say he gets some kind of hand. Whether under the name of president or under the name of past governor, we no suppose even dey at all.
If he break down from with very words of which Oga Polycarp talk to the last one.
Thank you very much. What Oga Polycarp talk, they very, very simple. Oga Polycarp don't make them very, very clear. And I believe so everybody went there for house.
What did he make clear now? You don't make them very, very clear. What do you mean that's what he make clear?
Not me, are you here? I'm going to tell you what he talk.
Thank God Nigeria said they watch us. And thank God Nigeria they listen to what they talk about. What did Oga Polycarp talk? In the mention about the past government. So what do you mean the problem
past
here?
Government, past government,
the presidential past government.
It's a lie. It's not true. Now you conclude.
Who they conclude?
Jumping to conclusion.
Who he mention name here?
He no mention anybody name. But
who he mention name?
He mention
Ogojola name.
He mention
Buhari name.
But waiting with the talk.
You mention OBJ name.
But
who else mention your name there?
But I don't mention.
Oh, you. But the thank us now. People they talk. No be you go talk. Now people when they call us go tell us as this program take go. No be you go call they decide as this program take go. Mind yourself. I don't they warn you. Mind yourself. Don't no they change subject. Once you don't introduce subject, no they change subject here. No they prove say because I say you read one kind of thing, call they change subject here. Mind yourself.
No they point me finger. I they want you.
I don't like say Chukudi. I go they point you finger they go. If na hand you want, I go point your hand like this, like this.
Nkubi, you know wetin? Make I end this show now. Na me and you.
End with. You want end waiting? We don't finish.
You go see them. Our people when they for us, we always they talk say Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Make we join our hand together to carry our country up. It's very important make we they talk because the country belongs to all of us. As we they talk, those when the matter concern go here and they will take the necessary action.
Now bye bye. See tomorrow. See Chukudi at the point in hand. Stand up. Stand up.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.